All right, Mike McGroarty here. This is a Mondays with Mike segment. This is going to be really challenging because right behind me, about 50 feet behind me, there's a highway with non-stop cars whizzing by. But anyway, what I want to give you today is kind of a crash course in landscape design. This is something that Pam and I did last week. We got Dustin to help us with the mulch a little bit. So basically, this is a basic, very basic landscape design, but it's also very effective. So in the backdrop, you'll see those are Stuart Stonia evergreen azaleas with the deep red flowers. I'll get closer on one on the other side. In the center, that's a lace leaf weeping Japanese maple, but it's got variegated leaves. And I'm not going to tell you the name of it because I can't remember it and I don't see a tag. So I guess that's just part of getting older. So there's a lot of repetition in this design, which is really important in an effective landscape design. So there's 3 blue rug juniper, which will eventually carpet this area. I've got some firewitch dianthus. These things are getting ready to bloom as well. So there's 3 of them on each side. This little Japanese maple right here is called Karina. It's very small, but it stays compact. We've got 2 of them. So this landscape is almost perfectly balanced on each side. A landscape doesn't always have to be balanced like that, but sometimes it's nice when you can. But you're going to notice the repetition here. All right, again, this is that Karina. This is the second one, Japanese maple. Right behind that are the firewitch dianthus. More blue rug juniper. They're positioned a little bit differently on this side of the sidewalk. So this is the Stuart Stonia evergreen azalea. These things are loaded with blooms. And then this is that lace leaf maple. This one is leafing out a little bit further. This has variegated leaves. Really nice when it leaves out. Hopefully you'll be able to make out something in this video. But anyway, landscaping can be very simple. And that's what this is. There's a lot of repetition. You know, we've used almost the same plants on each side of the sidewalk. We've used a minimum of, well, not a minimum of 3. I've done something that's not really recommended. I've got 2 specimen plants on each side of the sidewalk because I got the lace leaf maple in the middle, and then I've got the Karina maple here. But nonetheless, I think it makes for a very simple yet attractive landscape design. So hopefully you were able to hear me with the traffic. There was just no other way to do it. So I'm Mike McGroarty with Mondays with Mike. Stay inspired.